LAN and WAN, what are they? What is a network? If you want to understand what LAN and WAN are, you need to know what networks are. A network is pretty much a bunch of computers connected to each other. In networks, you can send and receive data with other computers in the network. Networks usually have switches as well. They connect together all the devices in the network. LAN stands for Local Area Network. It's a type of network, if you haven't guessed already. They usually cover a small area, but this means the data can be passed around very quickly between computers. LANs can be seen all around the world, in businesses, in schools, ours has one, and even in regular homes. Here you can see a bunch of computers and a printer on a floor of a building. They're connected to a switch, which is connected to the server. The server gives all the computers an IP address, which basically is used to identify the PC. The switch is always switching devices, so if a computer wanted to print something out, it could give the file to the switch, and the switch would keep switching until it gets to the printer. It gives the printer the file and carries on switching. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. Like the name suggests, it covers a very wide area, so it has slower bandwidth than LANs. You could say that a WAN connects multiple LANs together, so a PC from one LAN can send data to another PC on the other side of the world. WANs usually involve paying recurring costs to a service provider. A great example of a WAN is something we use every day, the internet. In this diagram, there are two LANs, both connected to the internet. If computer A wanted to send a message to computer F on another LAN, it would send the message to the switch like normal. The switch would switch between all the devices, but not find computer F. At this point, it would pass the message onto the gateway, which in this case is in the router. Then the gateway routes it off to another LAN through the internet, and computer F receives the message. So there you have it. A LAN is a relatively small network with high-speed bandwidth, but a WAN is sort of connecting two LANs together over a wide area with low-speed bandwidth, and involves paying to a service provider. Networks have changed our lives, and we use them every day to collect new information about our world. Next time you surf the web, remember that lots of complex networking is behind the funny cat video in front of your screen. This video was created by Abel Banoop.